Hello everyone. So I've just popped on to give a quick tutorial on fleece piecing. So this was chatted about at our recent Standish workshop. Now there are a couple of ways that we can piece fleece. I have to say that carefully. Fleece piece. No, piece fleece. Piece fleece together. There's the method that I'm going to show you in a second, and one that we've used before. Now, if you can remember, we did the Christmas applique scrappy blocks. So there's a method where you join the fleece pieces together with some small sashing pieces, if you like. I have got this tutorial already on the channel, so if you want to check out, I think it's part 3, that will show you how to join fleece pieces together with the strip. Now the one I'm going to show you today is super easy. I've done it this way before, and I know Sue has done it this way before, and probably Barbara has as well. So I've got two 9.5-inch square pieces of fleece here. These are just leftover scrappy bits, and I just cut them to size so that they matched. And literally all I'm going to do, let's imagine there's a right side and a wrong side, is right sides together on top of each other, line them up, and I'm just going to sew 1/4 inch down that side. So I'll go and do that, and I'll be back in a sec. And I'm back. So I've sewn 1/4 inch all the way down here. Obviously it doesn't have to be exact. So then now just open it out, so it's just like you would sew any other piece of cotton. And if you just finger press open the seam, it's so soft, it doesn't give very much bulk. So if I just turn it over, it is absolutely fine. You would think you would have a really large, bumpy seam, but because the fleece is so thin and so soft, well, probably thin is the wrong word, but what's the word? Pliable, squishable, whatever you want to say. It really doesn't give you a large bumpy seam. Another idea, which was one that Audrey told me, what she did, she got her 2 pieces of fleece and she zigzagged. And she said it did work, but she was just wondering if there was a different way to do it. I don't think there is a right or wrong way. It's whatever you feel comfortable with, as long as you've got a good strong seam, your piece of fleece is not going to come apart. I don't think it really matters. This is absolutely fine, and it requires a lot less time and effort than if you were to do the strips. However, if the strips are you know, part of the pattern on the quilt and you think it looks better, which I did on this particular quilt, then you know, that's okay too. So whatever you feel is right for the quilt that you're doing. So yes, quick and easy way to join fleece pieces. Okay, so that's it until the next tutorial. Bye for now.